Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Asmat's Cooking. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are making aloo tikki or potato kebabs. So we'll start by making the batter for the potatoes. Here we have 1 cup of gram flour or besan, and we need water as required, and we will need 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon ajwain, and 2 teaspoon fenugreek or methi leaves. This one. And we will add this to the basin of gram flour. We will mix these ingredients properly. And we will add the water slowly because we need to make batter out of it. The batter should be not too thick or not too thin. It should be good consistency. You see this? Just like this. Now we'll mix the potatoes. We will leave this batter on one side and we'll do the potatoes. Here we have 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes. It's about this size, medium size. And here we have 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander roughly crushed, and 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, and 2 teaspoon pomegranate powder or anardana. I'm using this one. So we'll add all of these ingredients, and 2 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves or methi. And we'll mix all these ingredients into the potatoes. I'm going to do it with potatoes by mashing all these potatoes. You guys can use the masher, but that makes too mushy. And once all of this mix, we're going to make tikki or kebabs out of this. Few of the kebabs or aloo tikkis are done. Now we need to fry it. We'll just dip it into the batter, just like so. Once it's golden brown from both sides, we can just take them out. And you should always fry these on medium to full heat, not too low heat, then it starts breaking. Let's take them out. Here we have delicious and very quick aloo tikki or aloo kebabs. You can serve it with mint chutney, and imli chutney and red onions. These are just normal onion which is finely chopped, and just added 1 tablespoon of ketchup in it, and it tastes really nice. Or even just plain yogurt on its own, or mint chutney on its own. It depends on your preference if you like it spicy or mild. And it's not even time consuming. It only takes time for potatoes to boil, and then you can just mix it and quickly make it and enjoy it in Ramadan or even on any occasion. And this is the way my mother-in-law was used to make. May Allah grant high ranks in heaven, Ameen. And it's few more other ways of making aloo tikki. I hope you guys like this way of making aloo tikki or aloo kebab. Until next time, stay blessed, stay safe, Allah Hafiz, and bye.